Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily add timer in your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to open app clock. So after you open it you need to choose here timer, and here you will choose how much of timer you want to start. For example, we will choose 10 minutes. So just after you choose here you can see that on the left side you choose how much hours. If you want to choose minutes, you choose here 0 hours. So after you choose minutes, so we choose 10 minutes, or you can also add some seconds if you want. If you want, by default it will be 0 seconds. So after you just click on start, and now you can see that it successfully started. And also you can see here that you can pause here timer or resume it, or you can also cancel it by clicking on cancel button. So just click on cancel and it will cancel your timer. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.